Good morning, everybody. Welcome to today's edition of Toggle's Daily Video Insights. In today's edition, we're going to take a look at why Carvana could potentially move up about 14% over the following 4 weeks. And in fact, this is due to quite substantially weakening short-term momentum that historically has seen a bounce back and therefore the upside price force. As you can see here, actually, in the past, the Toggle had already highlighted quite correctly the bullish pressures that were exhibited in the stock price previously. And so most recently now we're seeing the one on momentum. So what I'm going to do is click on this, take a quick look at what exactly the background for this analysis is. This time, this projection, 14% or so, would take it from 312.08 to 354.49. As you can see, while the horizon is 1 month, it could actually happen, and historically has happened even over a 2-week period. Important, as always, is that the price stays within this confidence interval and not dip below the red line, at which point it's really good to reassess your position and see if it still fits from a risk perspective in your portfolio. There have been 5 similar occasions where momentum was stretched as it is now. As you can see here, 12-month momentum, so the longer term momentum actually is staying quite strong. But the 6-month momentum has dipped recently, and the 1-week momentum in particular has now turned positive again. So it looks like effectively the prices could be bouncing back in the short term. Looking at the past performance, again, quite compelling. You can see that actually the majority of the outcomes as expected resulted in positive performance, sometimes even more than 14%, in fact, closer to 20%. But the downside, again, was occasionally as high as almost 10%. So you do need to keep in mind that this is something where you have to watch risk quite carefully and definitely pay attention to that red line. Again, what I think the logical conclusion here is that there could be another positive force acting on this particular stock price. So take a look, see fundamentally it fits your view, whether or not the technical picture, if you are more of the technical analysis nature, is in agreement with your views, and see whether or not the stock might fit in your portfolio. So much about Carvana today. In the daily brief, we also discuss about the battle between Main Street and Wall Street. It should already be in your mailboxes if you subscribe. If you don't, please go to toggle.global and you can sign up there. You'll receive a daily dose of fresh market relevant content. Otherwise, if you'd like to see more of these videos, we do them every market trading morning, just like this one, or subscribe to our YouTube channel and you'll start receiving a regular stream of content that will really try and pinpoint what of the data changes out there and the news events is actually driving stock prices and what is just noise. Thank you again for your attention, and we'll talk to you again tomorrow.